Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba Inu. 140.7 million SHIB added to burn pot for March 15 event. Pot now contains 655 million tokens. SHIB Army continues its token burn campaigns, and by now, another 140.7 million Shiba Inu have been added to the burn pot of this major SHIB burning team. Earlier this month, Today reported that the burning pot for February and March already contained 500 million SHIB. Also, over the past 24 hours, more than 11 million meme tokens have been burned. 140.7 million SHIB added to the burn pot. The @SHIB Superstore Twitter organization. Let's go through Latin America country by county. Latin America, TP Brazil is clean and Binance wants, and according to Chainalysis, less than 1% of all cryptocurrencies that came to Brazil in 2021 were used in some criminal activity. That's quoting Portal do Bitcoin's journalist Sayori Honorado. Chainalysis estimates that Brazilians bought US $140 billion in cryptocurrencies last year, a number that places Brazil as the largest crypto market in Latin America and 11th in the world, she also said via Twitter. Bitcoinist also reported that Binance plans to acquire Brazilian securities brokerage. In a fast-developing market like Brazil, crypto can transform and facilitate people's lives, and as such, we believe in full collaboration with local authorities, that Binance has a lot to contribute in developing the community and ecosystem in Brazil, CZ said. Colombia, Peru, and Mexico experiment with crypto candidates to Colombia's Congress. Edward Rodriguez and Didier Carrillo manifested their support for Bitcoin in clear legislation. Sadly, elections were last week and neither of them made it. That's Latin America for you. Even though it's a fact that drug cartels prefer banks to crypto to launder their money, crypto entrepreneurs in Colombia and Mexico suffer the stigma of being suspected of money laundering. Cryptocurrencies. Typical Latin America. The region as a whole is having a love-hate relationship with cryptocurrencies. On the one hand, apparently, crypto remittances in Brazil, Argentina, and Venezuela grew 900% last year. On the other, Mexico and Peru's central banks are actively working in their CBDCs. Which way will the scale tip? The jury's still out on that one. For the sake of organization, let's go through Latin America. As a result, the coin registered a 21.29% overnight gain, and tagged the $0.000026 mark to surpass all the crucial EMAs. However, the buyers failed to sustain the uptrend after facing rejection at the descending trendline. The sellers eventually lowered the market price, resulting in a 10% retracement last fortnight after the evening's star formation. The retracement cracked under all the crucial EMAs formations, and theoretically forecasted a retracement to the support trendline. Hence, a downfall continuation will reach the $0.000225 mark. However, buyers taking back the control will result in an early bullish reversal passing over the resistance trendline to touch the $0.000030 mark. Shiba Inu, in the early hours of Saturday 23 April announced the commencement of the public sale of lands on its Shiba metaverse. This represents the third and final stage of SHIB, the metaverse land sale, wherein anyone interested is allowed to buy the remaining lands on the metaverse at a starting price of 0.02 ETH without the need to have locked up their $leash tokens. The bid event and the holders event, the first 2 phases of the land sale project, were driven by the leash and Shibashi tokens, as only the holders of these tokens were allowed to bid and purchase lands during these phases. With the commencement of the final stage, how have the leash and Shibashi performed in the last 10 days? The Shiba Inu metaverse and its new landlords. During the first 2 phases of the land sale, Shiba Inu recorded over 3,000 new landlords with a total of 12,975 plots minted. Data from Etherscan also suggested that during the bid event and the holders event, users spent 62.80 ETH to acquire lands. This was also confirmed by a statement made by Aircam, Shiba Inu's developer, where he said on the project's official Discord channel, "How many times have you raised almost $20 million in 5 days? On a crashed market?" Well, in late 2021, the SHIB holder count reached a peak of 1 million. At the moment, it stands at 1,196,806 users. The second news today about SHIB price prediction. Descending triangle fallout teases 10% fall in SHIB price. On Friday, the Shiba Inu SHIB sellers breached the $0.000023 weekly support and the support trendline of the symmetrical triangle pattern. The follow-up retest phase should validate if sellers are ready to continue this downtrend, suggesting to reach the January bottom support at $0.00002. Despite a sloppy start in March, the ETH whales continue to accumulate the Shiba Inu token. As per an on-chain data provider Whalestat, $SHIB ranks 7th on the top 10 coins held by Ethereum whales. Let's us study the SHIB2 on March 1st. The SHIB price turned down from the $0.000028 resistance. The altcoin lost fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16th. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Shiba Inu could cross $0.00007358 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $0.00006333.